Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue, welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. So, mes amis, aujourd'hui, we have a really fun lesson. Alors, we're going to learn how to write sentences and mini books using the words learned in lesson 3.1. Alors, les amis, on va apprendre comment composer des phrases et des petits livres avec le vocabulaire appris dans la leçon 3.1. Alors, allons-y. Allons-y means let's go. Alors, livre 3.1 son I. Alors, on va tourner la page. Tourner la page means turn the page. So here's our sentence starter for today. C'est, and c'est means it is, or this is. Et puis, so I've taken a photograph, a picture of one of the EEE sound flashcards. This one is citrouille. And we're going to use all the words. Une citrouille, because we need to know if it's masculine or feminine. So I have given you the gender over here, une. So we're going to use both words. On va utiliser les deux mots pour compléter la phrase. So your sentence starts with c'est and it will finish with une citrouille. Alors, voici la phrase. Here's the sentence. C'est une citrouille. Can you repeat that? C'est une citrouille. Oh, Ananas, was that difficult? No, not difficult. Bravo. I'm so happy to hear that. Alors, on va tourner la page. Turn the page. Can you repeat after me? Ce sont des radis. Oh, Ananas, did you notice I did not use the word c'est? You noticed how come I didn't use c'est? Because there's more than one. So if there's more than one here, there's a whole bunch. So we're going to use ce sont. Can you repeat after me? Ce sont des radis. Ce sont des radis. Bravo. Next page. C'est un coquelicot. Can you say that? C'est un coquelicot. Bravo. On continue. C'est un tigre. Can you say that? C'est un tigre. Bravo. C'est un ordinateur. Can you say that? C'est un ordinateur. Oui, bravo. Oh, you did such a good job. So when you reach the end of your book, you write la fin. La fin means the end. Did you have fun, Anana? Oui, you had a great time. Oui, bravo. Well, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Au revoir, les amis. Can you say au revoir? Au revoir.